everyone, it's Abby from Feather and Fossil Interior Design. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create the interior of a log cabin on Foyr Neo. I'm going to start by adding furniture from the catalogue to create a living room space. I'm adding a sofa, armchair and footstool. I'm then using the textures function to change all the fabrics to textures that fit with my design. I'm then adding a rug from the catalogue and resizing it to fit the space. I'm then going to upload my own texture within the Textures tab and apply it to the rug. I'm using the panel on the right to rotate it 90 degrees to fit the rug shape. Next I'm going to create a new product and draw a rectangle. I'm then using the push-pull tool to create some depth. I'm going to exit the new product mode by clicking in the right corner. I can then apply free movement to the new shape and position it as a worktop. I can also insert a sink using the punch tool to embed it into the worktop. I'm now using the catalogue to apply a new texture. I'm also doing this for the walls, applying a texture from the catalogue. Next I'm adding some shelves. I'm using the blue highlight to tell me when they are attached to the wall. I will decorate these with books, lamps and ornaments from the catalogue. I'm now adding a sliding door from the catalogue to create a new room. I'm also adding some finishing touches, such as lamps, side tables and cushions. I'm using the rotate and resize functions to make them fit the furniture. I'm now going to take my render by clicking Take Render in the top right corner. I can get a preview of the render at the bottom middle of the screen. If you're happy with the render, click the Take Render bottom, again, bottom middle. Choose the 4K render for the best quality. Here are the finished renders. Thank you for watching and don't forget to try Foyr's 14-day free trial. Click the link in the description below. See you in the next video.